You can actually walk from Puerto Del Carmen to Puerto Calero, and this is the start of the walk. The walk starts at the old town part of Puerto Del Carmen, where the harbour is. This is just a quick video to show you what to expect on the walk. If you were going to try this walk, I'd recommend you wear good walking shoes. The first part of the walk is really good pavement, as you can see here, but this pavement doesn't last that long. I would say 30% of the walk is paved like this, and the rest of it is just dirt tracks and gravel, so flip-flops might not be the best, but decent shoes would definitely come in handy. As we go along in this video, I'll just show different sections of the walk so that you know what it entails and what you'll encounter along the way. So every part that is a little bit different, maybe, I'll do a quick clip of it for you to see. The day of this walk, there was a storm that hit Tenerife, and we were getting the very tail end of it in Lanzarote. So although it wasn't bad weather at all, the sea was a little bit rough, as you can see. Also, I'd say the walk would take on average between an hour and an hour and a half, depending on how fast you walk to Puerto Calero. And for those who'd like to try the walk just one way, there's riverboats that you can get back to Puerto Del Carmen, and there's also taxis. So if you walk there, you don't have to walk back. But on a cloudy day, it's a great thing to do. In this part you can see there is quite a lot of steps going down. You walk across a little bit and then you've got to go back up them steps. So here we are, Puerto Calero, and it's such a pretty little place. I will be uploading a video of the place so you can see what it's like. As you can see from just this quick glance, it's so nice. It's got a lovely harbour, and look how clear that sea is. The favourite thing we love to do here is feed the fish. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.